How to create and set up a Zedge account. First of all, open the Zedge app and tap on the profile icon labeled My Zedge located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on the profile page, tap the login button. You will see options to register using your email address, Google account, or Facebook. Choose the method that works best for you. For quick and easy setup, you can sign up using your Google or Facebook account. But if you choose to register with an email, enter your email address. You may be asked to verify an OTP sent to your email, so check your inbox and enter the code. Now create a password, enter your date of birth, accept the terms and conditions, and then tap Finish Registration. Once your account is successfully created, the app will log you in automatically. After logging in, tap the profile icon again to customize your account. You can update your profile photo, set a username, and even manage your uploads if you plan to share content on Zedge. Now you know how to create and set up a Zedge account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.